Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download the Flybuys app on your phone. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Play Store on your phone and go to the search bar. After you go to the search bar, search for Flybuys. After search for Flybuys, you can see that Flybuys will appear. Go ahead and tap on install and there you go. This is how easy it is to download Flybuys on your phone. Now you can start earning rewards using Flybuy. To read more about this app, you can click on About This and you can see what Flybuy has to say. Flybuy gives you the freedom to choose how you're rewarded. Before Flybuy says goodbye at the end of this year, you can still earn Flybuys using your digital card in their app until the time on 31st October. So you can see the key features of their app. You can read this over here and download here. So I hope this video about how you can download Flybuys app on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.